How to tie the single strand diamond knot. So I've got my cordage in front of me, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a loop at this point here. So I'm just going to get hold of my rope, bring it over, fold it over like so, and create a loop at that point there. Once I've got my first loop, I then do exactly the same again next to it. So I get hold of my cordage, roll it over, and form a second loop at that point. Now that I've got my second loop at that point, what I'm going to do is just gently move it across so that I end up with 3 holes in front of us. 1, 2, 3. Once I've done that, I then take the working end and I pass it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pass it over that one, under that one, over that one, under this final one. So we go down, and then bring it up through the middle. Take it up through the middle, take it over the top of the one next to it, and take it down that left one. Then what we're going to do is allow it to pull through, but I'm keeping this finger here because I want to keep a loop at that point. So it's hit my finger there. I want to keep a loop at that point. And now what I do is I bring this working end round. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this one here, under the 2 there, and come up through the middle. So take it over that one, take it underneath those 2, and then bring it up through the middle. And that's it. We've now created the knot itself. So all it leaves me to do now is just gently pull up on it and fold it as you're pulling up on it, because what you're doing is creating that. And gradually now, as I pull it through, and what I'm going to do now is I'll fast forward as I work it through, and you're just pulling it through until eventually you end up with a nice diamond knot. And so there you go. You can see now what we've done is we've produced a nice diamond knot in our rope work. This does work better in paracord or something similar to this. This rope is slightly too chunky for that, but you can go along and do more if you want to.